Hi, my name is Mario Arroyave and I'm gonna tell you my point of view of the effects the technology on the environment. The technology has been an imminent impact in the society, talking about computers, cell phones, and every equipment we use in our life. Maybe from a first point of view, that seems positive, no? Seems positive in academic areas, professional areas, social areas. Maybe it seems positive, but we never stop to ask ourselves: is there any harmful effect on the environment? All electronic elements have components in their structures, components such as heavy metal, plastic. There are components that are not friendly with the environment, and this, with a lack of consciousness of the people, brings adverse effects to the environment. I think the one way to reduce the pollution and reduce the global warming, and maybe it's in the cities, creates a little conscience in the people, conscience about the recycling, conscience about the classification of the weights, conscience of the use of natural resource. Maybe that can contribute of the good chance to the environment. Each one can generate a positive chance in all this.